Just
Right there?
yeah. Good morning, everyone. Well, today, you guessed it, we are out fishing again. We are on Loch Lomond in Scotland, near Balmaha. So stay tuned for some adventure. It's gonna be a cracking day. It's cold. Well guys, we've been paddling for about an hour now and we are entering the fog, all this, and we are going to start fishing and hopefully we're going to catch a fish. So stay tuned. Look what I've got. Rabala. Last week I caught a fish using this, and today I'm going to use the Rabala, which is smaller in size. So stay tuned. You know, we are not catching any fish, so we might go for lunch, get some food in our belly. So stay tuned for lunch, it's gonna be good.
Eh? No, no. Get them goodies, man. I think they started laying
Eggs.
Doesn't bother about fishing. Harris is into everything, you know what I mean? But then it comes to that point where it's lunchtime,
Oh. What soup is this, Tom?
This is sort of tomato veg.
Tomato and vegetable. Mmm. Black pudding, sausages.
mushroom left there for the old.
Today we're having ribeye steak, Scottish ribeye steak. Hey Tom, hit it. Gas. Cooking with gas.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, yes. That's enough.
Yes, sauce. Mushrooms. Yes, wee drip of sauce. Magic.
Oh yeah. How's that, Tom?
Very good, mate. Very good. Look.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
That's a marble.
Oh,
That's a
marshmallow.
caramel marble.
Mm. Oh, marshmallow. So look at this. Today we have cut comb from Glenn's Bees.
Yep.
That's the business. Oh, look at this. So I'm going to take a little bit. Oh my God. Look at this. This is honey. Scottish honey. Oh. Look at this. Honey.
Messy.
What a lunch.
The whole
We're back out fishing now.
Let's go and catch some fish, Nico.
Let's go and catch some fish. We need to. Had one fish on and I missed it, so it's not very good fishing today, but that's life, innit? Sceneries are good, Scotland's good. Salut les gars de la France, cette semaine il n'y a pas de poisson, zéro poisson.